Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center.
Watch our video and we'll be back to talk with you more in a moment.
Everybody hopes their car passes the state-required emissions test, because if it doesn't, your vehicle cannot be relicensed until it either passes the test or is waived from further testing, either of which will cost you time and money. Shop.advancedautoparts.com says the most common causes of a failed emissions test include the following: worn spark plugs. Worn spark plugs can lead to increased emission of gases. That is why you need to inspect them regularly and have us replace them when needed. Defects in the evaporative emission control system. If a car's evap system is not functioning properly, gasoline vapors come out, polluting the atmosphere. Leaking hoses and vents are often the cause of this problem. Leaking gas cap. This is a simple problem you can fix yourself by getting a new gas tank cap that seals the tank properly. Dirty air filter. High levels of hydrocarbons can be caused by a clogged or dirty air filter. Inspect and clean or replace it if necessary. Damaged catalytic converter. Inspect catalytic converters. If damaged, they cannot properly convert toxic gases into less harmful gases, causing your car to fail your emissions test. Defective check engine light. Sometimes, even if every other component works correctly, you might still fail an emissions test because the check engine light is malfunctioning. So why not, before taking your car to the test, have it inspected by us to learn for sure if any specific parts need to be repaired or replaced, so that you can pass the test with flying colors. Your car will benefit, and you can save yourself some money and a second trip to the emissions testing facility.
Klahanie Service Center is located in Klahanie QFC Shopping Center.
Our ASE Master Certified Technicians are present Monday through Saturday. Call or just come in and set up a repair or maintenance appointment. Also, our website is KlahanieServiceCenter.com. We'll see you soon.